Now, as our application has gotten bigger, look at how complicated our template file has become. We're basically repeating this code for this column section, and we're repeating the code for the actual gift box right here. So gift box is here, gift box is here. And if we wanted to change something in the gift box, let's say we wanted our image for our user avatar to be a little bit smaller, let's say 30/30. Now we have to change this in multiple places. So we'll copy this up here, paste that, and now those are also 30s. Not the best for scalability because we want to keep our code dry, right? We want to keep our code as DRY, don't repeat yourself. Now Vue gives us some tools to be able to do this. We can create a component right here out of giftbox, since giftbox is repeated here and repeated here as well. Let's create what's called a Vue component. So to do this, we're going to go up here and we're going to register a global component. Let's break this out over here to the side. Now we're going to say Vue.component. We're going to name it giftbox. And then we're going to pass in an object on how to configure it. Now to do this, we're going to pass in a template. And that template is going to be this entire thing right here. Now, Vue components allow us to make really reusable parts of our code so that we don't have to keep typing all this code over and over and over. All right, so we save that. We have our Vue template. Our new Vue component gift box, we have our template set. Next, this template needs to know where it gets this GIF from. And to do that, we need to pass data into this Vue component. For it to do that, it needs to listen for a parent to give it any information. So we're going to say props is GIF. So that means somebody, our parent template, will be passing this GIF object into this GIF box. And then it will use this GIF property to fill out its template. And this is basically the data, right? This is the data, except props means that it's data that's coming from somewhere else. All right, so we have our GIF box component. And now up here, we are going to say GIF box. Check that out. We can use a custom selector now using GIF box, and we need to pass in vbind. We need to vbind GIF. Just like we bound actual HTML attributes, we can bind this GIF since now this component is listening for a GIF. And we'll say GIF because now we have GIF here. So we'll save that, and immediately our application works again. And we can copy this, go up here to trending, and paste that there. Check that out. Look how much cleaner that code is now. So we have our first Vue component that we've created. Pretty easy stuff. We have a Vue component gift box, and then our main Vue instance is going to instantiate, bind itself to this app right here, this app section. And when it parses this template, it goes through and says, oh, look, gift box, let me find a component that matches that, and then we'll inject all of this stuff into that section. Now, if I wanted to change this down to, let's say, 35, change it in one place, and it changes in multiple places. Where is a username for cat? There is none. Weird. Let's try dog. No usernames over here. Okay, well, that's kind of get the idea there, right? We have our GIF box component, and it is usable in multiple places. We don't need this vbind anymore, :GIF, :GIF. Now, this is the simplest way to create a Vue component. There are other ways, more advanced ways that we'll talk about, and I will do a whole course dedicated to Vue components since I think they're so essential to building scalable applications. But for now, really start to think about how you can break your applications down into multiple reusable components.